Apple has snatched their crown back from Samsung. What's up guys, we're back with the news and it seems like iPhone 12 series has been a massive success. If you guys remember, the iPhone 12 launch was delayed by 1 month, which allowed Samsung to surpass Apple in the home market while also making the Note 20 Ultra the best-selling 5G smartphone in the world. But that reign was very short-lived as Apple is back. According to Counterpoint, the iPhone 12 is the world's best-selling 5G smartphone, with iPhone 12 Pro on the second number, iPhone 12 with 16% market share, and the Pro has 8%. The Note 20 Ultra is on third number with only 4% market share. This is an absolute next level dominance. If you look at the graph, it's just crazy. There are so many 5G Android phones out there, but still it took Apple just 2 weeks to literally top the whole competition. We'll see if the launch of Galaxy S21 slows down this momentum or not. Now, Apple A14 is still the strongest chip inside a smartphone, undefeated when you look at the benchmarks. It seems like Apple is likely to keep that lead even in the future, with being the first in the industry to have a 3nm process for its Apple chip for the year 2022. With Huawei out of the game, Apple has secured 80% of all the TSMC orders, not just for Apple's own A-series chip, but also their M-series chip for their desktop and their MacBooks. Apple is likely to do the same thing in 2022, which means that they're gonna get 3nm before Samsung, as TSMC is about 6 months ahead than Samsung's foundry. Now, we also have some new leaks and rumors on the iPhone 13. Apparently, the notch is getting smaller. We've heard this rumor already, and now we're hearing it again. We may not be seeing a full-screen iPhone, but a smaller notch plus a 120Hz LTPO screen for the Pro models are on the menu. Also in the news, we have some updates on Apple Car. If you guys don't know already, Apple is reportedly working on its own branded car with its own Apple logo on it. It's probably gonna cost quadrillion dollars with wheels sold separately. Okay, I'm just kidding, but according to Reuters, Apple Car will have next level battery technology along with multiple LiDAR 3D camera sensors. It is reported that this will happen sometime in 2024. Now we have some more news on S21 Ultra, something we already know. It's now 100% confirmed thanks to the FCC filing. According to the FCC filing, the S Pen with motion detection, hover and click operation system is coming to the S21 Ultra, which means that the function of the S Pen will be similar to how it is on Galaxy Note. Whether we get those fancy gestures or not, it's still yet to be seen. Now, this document also confirms that Galaxy S21 Ultra will perhaps be the first phone on the market with Wi-Fi 6E. This is going to be a next level standard than Wi-Fi 6. It further confirms that the S21 Ultra will have ultra wideband technology. So that is all the latest news. Apple has taken its position back, which is #1 on the charts when it comes to the 5G worldwide smartphone sale. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you think Galaxy S21 will slow down iPhone 12's momentum? If you're new here, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.